In the backfield. They don't get it. So the aggressive call does not pay off.
Well, sometimes you go for two if you think that defense can't stop you. But apparently, they can.
So we take a moment to check out the Pontiac drive summary.
He got it.
Looks like they're ready for the kick. Kicks it away. Brought down at the 35. And now we get to see this offense for the first time as they head out onto the field. This is a great place to start the drive on the opponent's side of the 50. There are four wide receivers split out, the quarterback in the gun.
Is you done yet? Because my arm's starting to hurt.
Done.